Welcome to on this beautiful Thursday morning. I hope everyone's having a blessed morning. Um, it's currently 9:15 a.m. EST, and we're gonna go over a move that we saw yesterday. And what we saw yesterday was that it's currently in a downtrend. We saw it was making higher lower lows and lower highs. So right here's a lower low, a lower high from this level, and then it created a higher low right here, and then it created a lower high right here. So what we could see was the market was starting to pinch together in this area. What I like to see is like what I like to think about it is like when the market's starting to pinch like that, it's starting to build up pressure for a breakout move. So it started to pinch. We saw that the low side trend line was should have been drawn here, which we drew, and then we saw the low here and the high here, and made those ranges, because either way that it broke from, it was going to be a breakout type of trade. So then the market continued that day. It did break below the low range that we saw, and then we also got the retest that we were looking for, and then a strong push down into the lower levels. So that's basically what happened from the move that we had last time. I will attach the video to the last analysis to this video, so y'all can see exactly what I was thinking yesterday. But as of right now, we're going to hide these things, and then we're gonna mark out the other things that we saw. So now here's the current updated one analysis that we have. So now that we broke free from that it's really a wedge, but now that we broke free from that wedge and that move into the low side, where we drew the trend line. Why do we draw the trend line? Because uh the market right now currently is showing that it's respected this. It came down, it respected it once more, didn't break through, respected it once more, didn't break through, and once more in another time. So what we're looking for the market to do is, yes, if it retests back into these areas, then so be it. But we want it to respect this trend line. And if it breaks above this trend line, then we're looking for a retest to see what it's actually trying to do. And if it retests and then starts showing more bullish momentum, then that's when we'll kind of change our bias. So as of right now, especially since this move just happened yesterday, we're in a bearish type of bias. The only thing I would want to look out for currently is that it is Thursday, so we're coming towards the end of the week. The market is going to start setting up the close and preparing for next week's moves. So that is one thing we got to look out for as of right now in the markets. The other thing is, yeah, just waiting for the retest, since it already did push down to a lower level. We're currently actually getting the retest now as we're speaking, but we're being patient enough for the retest to happen so that we can see what exactly the market's showing us and then execute off of that. So, like I said, my bias is bearish because that's what the market is showing, but we have our levels that should be respected in a bearish type of market. If these levels aren't respected, then hey, we're just gonna reverse our bias. It's really that simple. And then the last thing I wanted to show you all is these targets that I have and where I got them from. So we currently have a target 1 and a target 2. Target 1 will be where you want to take partials in your trade, and then target 2. So target 2 is right here at this high level right here that we're seeing. So this is where the breakout initially for this whole move happened. And target 1 is here, which if you scroll over even more, you'll see that this is a strong point for a high previously. So that's where target 2 comes out, and then this is where target 1 is, and then target 2 is at the very low. That's if this thing was to just rally downwards to the low side. That's where we'd want to see it kind of stop at least, or at least give it a break, and then retest back up to these lower levels or levels here. And that's actually currently where we are right now, is at these low levels here. So that's probably why we're getting this retest at this level instead of down here at a lower level right as of right now. Um, so that's basically what I'm seeing in the charts right now. We are bearish. The market showed it yesterday. It's been showing it for a few weeks actually as of now. So we are staying with the bearish bias, and then we're going to yeah, we're just gonna play. It's actually retesting into the imbalance right now. I mean, it looks beautiful. But until we get that reversal candle, like a actual clean reversal candle, could be on a lower time frame, but really on that 1 hour time frame. But you could scale down on a lower time frame. Then that's when we'd want to actually be thinking about taking the next steps forward for that. So this is the trading plan for today. I will attach the other trading plan that I had yesterday to this video. And if you're still here listening, if you like any of the content that I post, please like the content. Follow if you actually like my content, because I want to educate other people as much as myself. I'm still learning. Honestly, I feel like I know forex to a certain extent because I've been trading for a long time, but I'm still learning. I'm still trying to be the best trader I can be. So I want a bunch of other people that have passion for trading and that have the love for the game that I can connect with and create a community of people that strive and are thriving to be better. So if that's you, then contact me. I have my Discord in my bio. Join my Discord. Everything's free. I'm just looking to connect. So hopefully this helps you on your moves for today, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.